how to make and create food and drinks Instagram story on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now go to the top here, click on create a design, search for Instagram story. Now click enter and click on Instagram story. Now go on this side and scroll all the way down like this until you find the food and drinks option. Here is it right here. Now click on see all and choose a template from here. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. You can edit the pictures and everything can be edited, as you can see. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.